Hello my dear students, welcome to Teachers Daily. Today we are going to discuss about most important, most expected questions from electricity chapter. First we are going to do only MCQ. So here this is the question for you. A current of 1 ampere is drawn by a filament of an electric bulb. Number of electrons passing through a cross section of the filament in 16 seconds would be roughly. There are 4 options for you. First option 10 raised to 20. Second option 10 raised to 16 and third option 10 raised to 18 and fourth option 10 raised to 23. So now we can write which is given. So here a current of 1 ampere. So that means current is given. Current is equal to 1 ampere. So here you can see the SI unit of current is ampere. So next is drawn by a filament of an electric bulb. Number of electrons passing through a cross section of the filament in 16 seconds. So time is given. So time is equal to 16 seconds. You know that SI unit of time is seconds. So what we need to find here? Number of electrons. So this is we have to find. First we need to find charge flown. So what is the symbol for charge? You know that charge is equal to Q. So you know that what is the formula for current I? So I is equal to Q by T. So here this is Q. So this is charge. This is charge and time. So from this how we can find Q? When you cross multiply you will get IT. So we can find now Q. Q is equal to current into time. So 1 into 16. So what is the unit for Q? So here we said here charge is Q. So what is the SI unit of Q? Q is coulomb. So 16 coulomb. So I hope you understood how you had to find Q. So current of 1 ampere. So it's given current is equal to 1 ampere. Time also there. So 16 seconds. So from this you can find Q first. So what is the formula for Q? Current into time. So 1 into 16 coulomb. We know that charge of 1 electron is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. So according to unitary method, we know that 2 mango, for example, 2 mango is equal to 10 rupees. So rupee 10. So how we can find 1 mango? So we will find what? 10 by 2, 5 rupees. Correspondingly, we can do same this. So we know that 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb is 1 electron. So how we can find 1 coulomb? 1 divided by 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. What? 10 raised to 19 divided by 1.6. So now we can remove this decimal, multiply with the 10. So here you can see this will become 10 raised to 20 because this is a raised to m into a raised to n. So you know that a raised to m plus n. So 19 plus 1, 20. This will become 16. So now we can write number of electrons. 1 coulomb of charge is equal to, what we got? 10 raised to 20 divided by 16. So number of electrons, 16 coulomb of charge, how it will be? 16 into 10 raised to 20 divided by 16. So here you can see, before I said 2 mango 10 rupees. So 1 mango will become 10 by 2, 5 rupee. So how? So from this how we can find 5 mango? So you know that 5 into 5, 25. So same method only we are doing here. Look, first we found what? 1, so here what? 2 mango 10 rupees. From this we found 1 mango. Same like here 1 coulomb of charge we found. So 10 raised to 20 by 16. Now we have to find 16 coulomb of charge. So 16 into. So here also how we are doing? 5 mango. So 5 into. So same like here also 16 into 10 raised to 20 by 16. So 16 cancel. So you got 10 raised to 20. So which option? Option A is Correct. So I hope you understood first question. So here this question is very, very important. So you have to learn and practice this question also. So now we can do the second question. This question is very, very important. What is the maximum resistance which can be made using 5 resistors each of 1/5 ohm? So there are 4 options. Option A 1/5 ohm, option B 10 ohm, option C 5 ohm and option D 1 ohm. So first we can write what it is given. So here you can see it's given 5 resistors. That means number of resistors is equal to 5. So now we can read again. So we found only one clue, that is number of resistors is equal to 5. So what is the maximum resistance can be made using some resistance of each resistors, resistance of each resistors is equal to 1/5 ohm. We know that equivalent resistance is maximum when these are connected, when these resistors are connected in series combination. So now we can connect this in series combination. So you know that this is the series connection. So here how many resistors? 5 resistors. Accordingly we can draw 5 resistors here in series connection. So 3, 4, now 5. So this one is 1/5 ohm. So here also 1/5 ohm. So 1/5 ohm. So here you can see, I already said equivalent resistance is maximum when it is connected in series combination. So now we arranged all the 5 resistors in series combination. So what is the formula for resistors in series? Resistors in series is equal to R1 plus R2. So here there are 5 resistors. So I am writing R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 plus R5. So now we can write 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5. So here you can see denominators are same. So you can add the numerator directly. So 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5. So we got 5/5. So that is 1 ohm. So here any option 1 ohm? Yeah. So we got option D is the correct answer. So this is your correct answer. So I hope you understood this question very clearly. So one more time we can revise this. What is the maximum resistance which can be made using 5 resistors each of 1/5 ohm? So here it is given the total number of resistors is equal to 5. The resistance of each resistors is 1/5 ohm. You know that resistors maximum resistance in series condition. So equivalent resistance in series condition it will be maximum. So we can arrange these 5 resistors in series. So we know that what is the resistance here? 1/5 ohm. So this is the symbol for resistance. Don't confuse. Ohm is the symbol for resistance and ohm meter is the symbol for resistivity. So you know that resistors in series is equal to, so here there are 5 resistors. So we can arrange R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 plus R5. So that means 1/5 you have to write 5 times. So when the denominator is same, so numerator you can add directly. So you got the answer 1 ohm. I am ending today's session. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe.